Hey guys, it's me Gold Falcon, back with another video, and today I'm showing you how to do it yourself, how to make your own Lego Bakugan game. So this is Drago. You need 2 Lego Bakugan. It's a do it yourself if you have Legos. So Lego Bakugan game. This is Driller, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what you need to make first is a card. So each Lego Bakugan should have 850 HP. And don't worry, I will show you all the rules to make this a fair game. So start off with your beginning move, which should be 250 damage. I recommend that for the damage limit. You shouldn't do anything up to here really high, because that wouldn't be fair. And then heat wave is his other move, 500 damage. And star moves can only be used once every 3 turns. And then what you have next is the evolve card. So where your Lego Bakugan will evolve into a stronger Lego Bakugan with more HP, and it can keep evolving from there. So the rules: you must win 5 games to use the evolve card. Also, you need a license that shows how much wins this Lego Bakugan has. So wins 0. I haven't done it yet. No. It's the card. Okay. You can only use this. You can only use an evolve card once every 2 battles. You gain 500 HP from using an evolve card. Remember, it's 5 games to win. 5 games to use. I mean, you have to win 5 games to use it. So that's Drago. And next you will need to make an HP card, 850 HP, and then you have to, depending on how much HP you lose, you can erase it. So same thing for here, same amount of HP. I'm just going to show you the moves, I guess. Its first move is Rock Breaker, 250 damage, Earth Pound, 500 damage. Star moves once around. I mean, once every 3 turns, not once every, Okay, keep your health cards right here. And then you need a part evolve zone, that's what I call it. So when you roll your Bakugan, it has to hit the evolve zone. If you miss 3 times, then the other person automatically wins the whole game. And you can add that to your license. And, and then there are help or deceive cards. What they do is they can give you HP, or they can make you lose HP or health. Just make it easy. Just in case you don't know what deceive means, it means it can either be for your advantage or be for your disadvantage. Now the limit of HP that you can lose or gain on a help or deceive card is 500 damage. What you will need to actually do this is basically just one full sheet of paper, scissors, a pencil, Lego Bakugan, and you have to be able to make all of this, and you need a stadium for it. I'm just going to use this. So let me show you an example of how you roll it. It has to hit the evolve zone. If it touches the evolve zone even a little, just partly do that. If you miss the first time, get 2 more tries. If you miss all the tries, then the other person automatically wins the game. But if you can hit the evolve zone, then you can activate your Lego Bakugan like that, and then that's where you start the game. So each time you can pick from either pile for help or deceive card. Either pile, okay? So yeah, basically. So that's when you start. So like after each person has gone, then you start using the help or deceive cards. So once every turn, you can use one help. Each person can use 1 help or deceive card. And can you do 3 to 4 players? Well, yeah, you basically can. I'd recommend up to 10 players. This is a family game, just in case you don't know. Do it with your friends, people you know or love. So Yeah, that's basically how you do the Lego Bakugan game. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later.